then I'm gonna patch her bicycle and show her step to step some little easy and simple tricks. Oh, easy now. I'm gonna show you guys some easy and simple tricks to pull off the wheel and patch the as quick as possible. Maybe I'm not patch it as quick as possible because we're gonna talk through the video and thing, but we're gonna break it down step to step and make us see and understand how they can deal the bicycle as quickly with the tools they wanna have. You see me? Alright. Alright, bring the bicycle. Alright, introduce my niece. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, yeah, mash up my toe. Yeah. Introduce my niece, little Siri. You know what I'm saying? Little Serenity. Yeah. Alright, come here, patch your bicycle. Come up my bicycle. Alright. Alright, so yes, this is our bicycle. It's a 16-inch bicycle. It actually comes with a basket at the front, but them take it off. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And things. So yeah, 16-inch bicycle. You know what I'm saying? She have the little bell up at top where she ring earlier and annoy me. Yeah man. So we're going to take off the back tire, take out the tube and work on the tube. You know what I'm saying? Alright.
The chain, no, the chain.
Eh? Yeah, don't worry about that. Come, take out. Hold the phone, sir. Hold the phone. No, press nothing, you know.
Okay.
Just hold the phone and pine for me. Okay, hold the phone, sir. Alright. So guys, we have a pump, we have an hand pump right here. If you didn't know, alright, I'm gonna do it myself. Alright. Guys and girls, I have a hand pump right here. If you didn't know, your pump can actually take off, wouldn't say take off your back wheel, but your pump can actually take off the tire off the rim, if you didn't know. So first, you're going to open the lock right here on the pump that lock the valve, and this is what you're gonna use. This is what you're gonna use to take off the tire off the rim. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Come, hold back the phone now. Hold the phone, so. Hold the phone and point this, alright? Right, so first, you're gonna insert the lock part of the pump in the tire like this. You see me? And then you're going to plug it on the outside. But you have to get it the right way. Push it inside the tire and plug it out like that. You see me? And once you do that, then you just draw the pump like this. Just draw the pump like that.
I am not shopping.
That's how you take. Alright. Alright. Yeah, wrong. You see? That's how you actually take the tire with a pump. You see me? So you insert. Alright, I'm showing again. You see? I'm showing again. You go pump like this. Hold pump like this. This supposed to be facing that way. So you're gonna hold the pump this and make sure you get it under the tire inside the rim. Oi, pay attention. You're gonna get it under the tire inside the rim, and then you're gonna plug it. You're gonna brace it on the outside and then shoot up the pump so you get inside the tire, and then just run the pump inside the tire like this. You just run the pump inside the tire, and that's how you get the tire.
Right now, it's time for me.
Yeah. Yes guys, that's how you get the tire off the rim. So you can see the tire is off the rim right now. Some more. Yeah. Yeah. So you can see the tire is off the rim right now. You know what I'm saying? You see that? Easy and simple. And then I just take out the tube. Let's see how I can. Yeah. Oh, keep on. Then, yeah, after you do that now, then you just get the back of the tube. After you do that, then you're gonna take the tube. You're gonna take the tube out the room. So you're gonna look for the valve. And sometimes valve have a dust cap. You can scrub the dust cap off the valve. I'm saying scrub the dust cap off the valve. Don't last it. Put it where you can find it later. And then you just shove on the valve. You shove on the valve guys. And put your finger inside and just take out the tube like that. Take out the tube like that. Simple and easy. Simple and easy.
Now you out. Whole thing that they call.
Alright. So
It's uncommon.
So now the tube is out. Now the tube is out. We're gonna put some air in the tube so we can find the hole. So yeah, when you get back up now, you lock down the lock. Insert the pump on the valve. Insert the pump on the valve like that. Then you open back the lock. You see me? Open back the lock. So now the pump cannot come off the tube or the valve. Pump cannot come out. So now you just pump. Now you just pump. You know what I'm saying? Right now, before me even realize where the hole is or anything, I actually look down and see say like before I even finish or was even before I finish, sorry for my gibberish talk. Anyway, before I even start putting actually here in the tube, I looked down and I saw this pinch. I saw the tube of a pinch right here. Let me show you guys. Let me show you better. I looked down and I saw the tube of a pinch right here. And before I even put no actual air in it, so I can know if it's leaking. Actually, air it going. Actually, air actually escaping through the pinch right here. So as you can see, here, as you can see, the rim actually pinch the tube, so that means that the tube wasn't sitting down perfectly in the rim. The seam that the tube was fold up in the rim, so it have a pinch right here. So this is where it actually leaking. So now I'm gonna rub it. So now I'm gonna rub. So over there. Alright, big up to everybody over there. Leave a like. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So take off but pump it now. Because we know where the hole is. So check out by the pump of the tube because we know where the hole is now. So we don't have to pump no more air in it. So where the hole is now. So first we're gonna examine the hole to see how big it is. Alright. It's a long split. Showing the split. Split is actually long. This is actually a long split. Look at this. First, maybe we split so long still. And then get another line. Look at it. Focus. Yeah, as you can see here, the long split. So I have to rub the split. So I have to rub up this so the can sit down. Tube. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So let's get to that. Sir, get up and look me and look. Alright. So now we're gonna peel on that. Yeah, leave it now. Cut up. If you learn, and I watch me do instead. Jalan on the table and I do a sort of scene. Alright. Pump them up on the table. So here, I have a patch kit. You know what I mean? I have solution in the patch kit. Sandpaper in the patch kit. I have Arling key in the packet, and I have a comb. Hear me? A comb teeth in the packet. I'm gonna tell you what this comb teeth is for. And I also have patch, the patch, and the patch kit actually come with a square, thing like a little, you know, like a sandpaper or a file. Them actually put in a patch kit where you use to rub the tube, but I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna actually use the sandpaper. So the comb teeth, when you have a really small hole and you can't really, you don't know where the hole is, the hole is too small, you can't really find the hole when you're rubbing it. Alright, go in. You can't find the hole when you finish rub the hole and put on a patch. You don't know where to find the hole, and the comb teeth is to pierce the hole so you can mark where the hole is actually at. That's what the comb teeth is for. The hole is actually small, I can't find or you don't remember where the hole is at. You just use the comb teeth and just pierce the hole. Just mark where the hole is actually at. While the solution is drying. Alright, everybody we are tuning in, big up, you know what I'm saying? Let me see how who tune in. Natasha. Natasha Irving. Well, you know. Yeah, Natasha, big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? And happy, joyful. Big up yourself, but the big is for. I'm actually gonna use a sign of the let me tell you something. Some people are used for that tube it starts well and expand. So this tube actually more air before it starts to expand, and is actually a thicker material. If you notice how shine, if you notice how the tube shine and more smooth, yeah. Though that one tube I can show now. But this a different texture of a tube. So this is not like regular tube where it's soft and easy, stretch and thin. The tube here is actually thick. So I'm gonna use that rougher sandpaper to sand down this tube. I'm gonna get a rougher sandpaper. I'm gonna show you that. So this is what I originally used. This is a sandpaper. So this is what I originally used on my tubes. You know what I'm saying? But in this case, with this thicker tube, I'm going to use a rougher sandpaper to get it rougher and smooth as the patch can sit down alright perfectly on the tube. I'm going to get that rougher sandpaper.
That's it. On the block. Alright, guys.
Alright.
Zero.
Yeah, so alright, so guys, I have a rough sandpaper. It's actually a green sandpaper. It's afraid of this, but this sandpaper is more rough than the black one. Green sandpaper to rub the surface where are the pinches on the tube. Alright.
Alright, guys. 0%.
Yeah, talk to them. Talk to them. So put it in there. Just talk. Alright, talk. Tell him when that you're white. Try and
Name is 0.
Alright. So yeah, we're just let me show you guys. So here you have it. I have sand off the so right here I sand the surface surface of the pinch. You know what I'm saying? I give it a little distance from the edge of the pinch. So you know the patch can sit on all the way out and around it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I order a tube. Test the patch. I always test the patch before I put on a solution. Test the patch to see how much it cover or before I put on the solution, so I can know where to place the patch when I'm ready to put it on. You know what I'm saying? So I test it. Well, this patch is not big enough, but it can work. It's not big enough, but it can work. So I'm just gonna work with it. You know what I'm saying? For now. Just gonna work with it for now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And another thing that I see people make when they are patching bicycle, they are patching the bicycle and they are applying the solution. I always see them do a thing like this. Most of the time, I see them do this. Get
So,
Alright.
see.
Alright. Most people find the solution on their tube, they will. Most of the time, I see people applying the solution on their tube, them actually rub the solution with the solution mouth, same like when they're applying the solution, they do a thing like this to rub out the solution on the tube. Them rub out the solution on the tube. You know what I'm saying? And that not good. It make it not look decent, and it not look solution actually apply perfectly on the tube when you use that. Or them use the back of the solution, the top edge of the solution right here, and rub it. Get me I say? From your patch bicycle and use solution, never ever do those two ways before. I always use my finger and rub it out. So now I'm just gonna apply the more that I think or know that can do work, and then I do that. I use my finger and just rub all around the surface where I sand. You know what I'm saying? Just use my finger and rub and apply the solution. Just rub it out. Just rub out the solution like that. So I'm gonna show that. So now you can see. So now as you can see, I actually rub out the solution, the surface where I sand, where I'm going to put the patch. You know what I'm saying? So you can see this. So there's no air bubble. So there's no air bubble in the solution. So you can actually see it rub out. And when I'm ready to apply the patch is gonna sit down perfectly. So in the other method, they use the solution head and rub the solution and it actually air bubble. I can see like the example. See the outside of where the solution apply, outside of where the solution apply right here. You can see out of an air bubble, and it don't rub out perfectly, and it don't rub perfectly. That's how it look when I'm actually. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna waste too much time because I move the file paper from the file. Don't want that guy. Don't want contaminate the itself where it's gonna go down on the tree. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So you remove this file. We're gonna put the patch now on the tube. You know what I'm saying? Alright. See? That's all one. Alright. So now place So now I've placed the patch on the tube over the hole. So I'm gonna use some. Alright. Best thing to use that you have with you is actually the pump. That's the best thing to use because the pump the pump have a round head and don't have anything can do it or anything like that. You just use the pump and just rub the patch on the tube so it will nice lay down and things they know say it can't come up. You know what I'm saying? Rub out the patch on the tube. Isn't it? Forget to put on but the cock and the solution. So yeah, put my cock on the solution. So you don't get solution dry. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, when after apply force to rub on the pot on the tube, or you can just take your time and just peel off the plastic. So now just take your time. See, now you can just take your time and peel off the plastic of the tube, of the patch, I should say. Or the tube can already in the tube, so basically the tube. So you just take your time, peel off the plastic of the patch like that, and then you just keep another rub, like reconnect. Press up right, just apply pressure, and the patch is look. Alright, so look at that now. Perfectly true. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Perfectly true. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So now I'm gonna actually the tube right now. I'm actually gonna Alright. The first thing that I didn't tell you guys, you see, once I find a hole in the tube, so once I find a hole, I'm not disrespecting her or anything, but she I'm talking and she's talking. It's like I'm not hearing myself thinking. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna tell her just easy, so I can talk to you guys. So anyway, when you finish watching the tube, you guys should always check tire to see whatever tube or control tube is still in the tire. But in this case, tube was shot by the rim pinching the tube and giving it a small like a tear with the hole. You know what I'm saying? So I don't have the tube for anything that jokey. So now I'm gonna give it a quick pump up. You know what I'm saying? That pump up. Alright, give it a quick pump up. You know what I'm saying? You can see what I was telling you guys about this tube is a different texture of tube. As you can see, it's the shine version of tube. Me personally do not like the tube. I don't like this tube at all. If I'm going to buy any tube, it have to be like a soft texture tube where it easily stretch. I think that this tube is more difficult to deal with because you'll get a higher patch in a container. It do have the soft stretchy texture to inflate the tube the right way. If you guys get what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? This tube is a thick texture and I don't like it. It took a while and stretched. You see me? And it's just too thick. I'm saying, so I'm afraid that and it might explode. You see me? My box. Just my series and cakes and them kind of sugar. I like them personally. My body soft, but easy to stretch and thing. Now, we're gonna put my tube in the rim. So when you are in the rim, you guys gonna put it. You guys gonna get it by the valve right here, and then you guys gonna hold it like this. You're gonna have two fingers. You're gonna have these two fingers on top of the tube right here. Yeah, you guys gonna have two finger between the valve right here and your thumb finger and the back of the tube right here. You're gonna put it, you're gonna line it up with the yeah, hold on a sec, viewers. Hold on a sec. Can't stop that no. Can't stop. Anyway, somebody's calling me while I'm live. You know what I'm saying? So guys gonna lift the valve right here, and you guys gonna lift up the tire. You're gonna lift up the tire, and you're gonna find the hole the valve go through it. After and just right the hole. Right the hole. Once you get the valve in the hole, then it start set the tube back in the tire. Set the tube back in the tire. Be careful. You set the tube. You want to make sure that the tube even in the tire, so you have much tube on one side of the tire. So when the tire, the tube inflate in the tire. After you do that, then you're gonna start put on the tire. So all you guys put on the tire is like this. After that, bend the tire like this, and then you start work your way around, like work your way around and put in the tire like that. You know what I'm saying? Work your way around. See? Easy as that. Work your way around and put in the tire like that. And then you're gonna put on the pump, insert the pump like that, and then you're gonna start pump. You know what I'm saying? It look weird when actually pumping the back like this, but take your mouth, gonna actually put here in the tube so the tire can pump. You know, so pump. Yeah, you're gonna pump back the tire. You know what I'm saying? By the way, come. I teach you it, you know. Come learn. Come pump this. Come pump this. Hold the ears up. Hold the ears up. Hello. Hold the ears up. Hold on. Put your ears up. Put your hand. Hold. Want to ride bicycle with you? Well, share a bicycle. Short ride a bicycle from she get it. So no even them and thing dinner. Mother now bother me for fix the bicycle. Now it fixed. I want here, fashion teacher for use pump. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, pump. So now the back wheel is actually having oil, my bro. So now the back wheel is actually getting off, so it's getting more difficult to apply here in the pump to put in the tube. So now it's kind of far to pump. You know what I mean? Alright, so I'm gonna be back here. Alright. So I keep pumping the cycle. Watch it. So that keep pumping the cycle now. So now I'm gonna finish it up. Put more in. You don't need a lot of air, so I'm not really put too much air in it far. You don't need a small amount, so this is good enough. Hello, my plug. No. So this is good enough. So I fix the GPR. She actually drop off, so drop it. With the guard on, it's kind of difficult talking about the chain. I'm gonna try. Okay.
Ay,
Nice.
you put mine. You put like Ashley. Yan.
Yung isa mom time put on again. Put on the gap. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Shit on. Life is right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, oh.
Ba? Tell him, yeah, ba?
But, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Cha-cha. Yeah. You have the complete finished cycle. You know what I'm saying? Pedal. Now, a long while, over what? 4-5 months, she haven't rode a bicycle. You know what I'm saying? So now it's up, you know what I'm saying? So, but not talk about you alright. I say if you're not talking, I'm shocked for the rugby training. You're not talking for. Alright. So, peace out, guys. And say bye now. Bicycle, you know what I'm saying? So, another video, guys. Leave a like, give a thumbs up, smash it, guys. Let me know what you want to see or who you want to see next in my video. You know what I'm saying? Sister, mother, brother, you know what I'm saying? Uncle, auntie, whoever wants to see the video, right? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? And I'm making some decision and come up with some ideas to do future video like future challenge video, like going in the streets and challenging people to do stuff, you know what I'm saying? For stuff, you know what I'm saying? So look for that video in the future. I'm just giving you a hint of what I have in mind to do in our future videos, to go in the streets and challenge strangers to do some challenge, you know what I'm saying? And stuff like that. So peace out, guys. See you in another video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and share with a friend. And get subscribe and leave a like on this video. So peace.